Okay guys, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're making a mirror with a shelf. So what we're going to do, let's switch to render, let's switch our Eevee to cycles, get rid of the default cube, and we're going to go ahead and add a plane. I'm just going to go ahead and scale this up, and I'm going to add a wall to the edge of this plane. So let's go E for extrude, and S for scale as well. So what we're going to do, let's go for object mode, and we're going to add, let's go with cylinder. I'm going to go ahead, rotate it 90 degrees to the side, so we go 90, and then I'm going to go G and bring it up. Let's scale this down, right click shade smooth, and then I'm going to place it up against the wall right here and scale this up just ever so slightly so we can see what's going on. So let's go ahead, because this is a shelving unit, we're going to need it a little bit wider. So let's go scale. Maybe not that wide, but we're going to go ahead, place it in here. So the next bit we're going to do, let's go to edit mode, take this front face right here. We'll go E for extrude, S for scale, bring it in just slightly. You want that nice little bevel going on at the side, so let's go G. E for extrude, leave it where it is. S for scale, pull it in. And then E for extrude, and we're just going to move it inwards just slightly, and S for scale. Just make that little bevel again. And then E for extrude, S for scale, and you can just press G and move this back just ever so slightly. So now we're just going to go E for extrude and straight in until you reach the back, and just stop before you reach the back there. So let's go and put E for extrude again, S for scale, and just go in very slightly. So this is going to be where the mirror is. So let's go to materials tab and we'll click new. The outside material, we're going to want this as a nice little gold, or you can have this whatever you'd like it to be. So we can see that we've got the gold right there coming in on the outside. This little part in the middle, let's press plus and new, and let's go with a mirror modifier. Should be metallic BSDF will work. Let's change the roughness down, and let's assign that. So when we go back onto object mode, we now can see that we've got this nice little edging for a mirror. So we're going to go right click shade smooth. Let's go back to the regular render view so we can see what's going on. And I'm going to go ahead and place in a cube. Let's press G, bring this up, bring this to the mirror. We're going to go ahead, scale it down, scale it sideways, press G, bring it to the back of the mirror, and then you're going to want to scale this out sideways. Use the drop down menu in the materials to change this to gold so that everything's uniform, and all we're going to do is shift D, make another shelf, and then scale it sideways, and then shift D, make another shelf, and then we'll scale this inwards as such, and then shift D and we'll make another shelf just at the bottom right here and scale that inwards. And that is your little mirrored shelf. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff, you know how it is. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Let's turn that up just a little bit. There we go. Right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.